What's up, guys? Jay Nibbles here. Welcome to the Aries Moto with the old man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are removing and replacing, actually, bumper cover on 2014 Chrysler Cruize. This is the LT version. What did I say?
Chevy.
What did I say? Oh, I say Chrysler? Oopsie. Chevy Cruize. So the first thing first, you want to remove the 4 clips. And you're gonna need a clip tool.
That's my tool.
That's outside.
That's my fork. I make this fork.
From the screwdriver.
Yes, and I plug and I make the fit.
Alrighty.
The bolts.
It's a 10 millimeter.
Yes.
Also, we will be replacing. Actually, we're gonna take out the grill, both top and middle one, and we're gonna be moving these ones too. It's gonna be a complete bumper strip down because we got another one right here ready to go.
Tony.
Torx 20. So that is what also Torx.
Yeah, use same.
Small ratchet.
Same one.
2 of those.
3.
3.
3 what?
This side is freed up. Pop it out. We'll lower it a little bit down more. Don't forget to unplug that. Corner light is out. It's kind of easy because there's only one tooth, plastic tooth right this. Now we're gonna have to strip down trim and the symbol. That was pretty stubborn.
That's a thing. That's a. We
One
take
piece.
this. And you go this out.
That was pretty easy. Now you have this lip.
Yes. Take this.
And the same thing. You got a little plastic tooth. You have to push in and then push down. This plastic. Clip.
Plastic. No clips, that's a nuts. Plastic nuts.
It's interesting, everything is plastic, and Chrysler uses the metal ones.
Yeah, and now we use the plastic. Plastic no rusty.
And it's cheaper to make. So for the grill,
Yes,
we got 2, 3, 4.
See?
I'm gonna zoom in. Hold on.
Look, you see.
Let me zoom in. Okay, so you got two
Yes,
prong right
one
there.
put this, you see, inside,
one you
you
push
see,
in.
and that's move like this
And push in.
out.
So you don't break any.
You see, out. See, take out. We now take first. Okay. Go on.
That is the emblem you're working on.
No, original. We go like this thing. Just 1 minute. Hold them with this.
This right here is a Wagner Inferno 750. If you want to see a review, if you want to see a review of this beautiful baby, I'm gonna link it like right there.
You need to heat this side heat to open the glue. Because you see the rivet. The original GM rivet. Here I do it. You see, take out.
So all the bumper trim, everything is off. Grill, little pieces. This is a garbage. Now when you're doing the install, you want to make sure that your bumper is protected so you don't get any scratches or anything. That's why we're using bubble.
That's before coming. That's now it's fresh.
And if anyone is wondering, there's the parts number right here. That'll be GM 103 8130.
So like this. Yeah. Like this. What's happening? Something.
That's better, right?
Yeah. Good.
So old man is just putting those little plastic clips.
Plastic nuts. Yeah, after we put on top. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's finished.
Now you need to replace the horn.
Yeah, no, I think so. Nothing problem with this one. To see first in one.
Okay, so bumper is pretty much ready, good to go, other than the bumper or plate bracket, but the old man's gonna do that after the bumper's installed. So he's gonna install the bumper. That's always the problem with the aftermarket. It never fits the way you wanted it to fit. Okay, so we are having a little bit of an issue, but the little absorber wasn't sitting properly behind here, so we got some fitment issues, but as you can tell right now, it's all good. Even the color is matching pretty damn good.
The color is good, beautiful.
Good, matching. Needs to be a little bit massaged in.
For me, so you see, that side before cut, So if I no cut. Oh, and I'm happy. I'm now happy.
Fit it, you had to remove the bottom part, but he's gonna install that.
Oh, I am happy. That's a beautiful color is good. Look the gap. Look the gap. Look the gap. Look this gap and look the another gap.
That is awesome. That is awesome, awesome, awesome.
Down now.
Alrighty, so pretty much just have this thing to put it on and the job is done.